Today we are going to talk about how to apply a heating pad to relieve muscle tension. You are listening to Safety and Health in Hotel Housekeeping, where we give bite-sized health and safety tips for housekeepers. If you want to know more about ways to prevent injury, this is the place. And now your host, Daisy Kwok. Hello all, welcome to Safety and Health in Hotel Housekeeping, which was named as Ergonomic Housekeeping that retains manpower in earlier episodes. Hopefully, the new podcast title will help more friends working in a hotel being able to find this place. For today, I'm going to talk about how to use a heating pad. This episode is not only limited to people working as housekeepers, but to all busy people who would sit in front of their computer all day long. So, what is a heating pad used for? A warm pack helps to improve our body blood circulation. They help to reduce muscle tension by dilating the blood vessels surrounding the muscle tissue, which means a higher metabolic rate. A common question: when they should be using a heating or cold pad? My suggestion is depending on the stage of the problem. If you have an acute injury, that means a recent accident or sudden pain, go for the cold pack. Cold packs helps to control swelling and reduce the inflammation. In other conditions, if you wish to relieve muscle tension, go for the hot pack. It helps to improve circulation of the localized area and soften the tissue. If you have an open wound, apply wound dressing for protection and never use an ice pack directly on the bleeding site. A very common question is how to use a heating pad for back pain. First, prepare the place where you are going to lie down. To ease your breathing, when you lie down, you can use a long towel to make a donut pillow to breathe. Second, prepare a timer. Set it to 20 minutes. If it is an electrical type of heating blanket, do not set it forever as you may burn yourself if you fall asleep. I will share more safety tips on using a heat pack in the next episode. Now you can try to heat your pack, following the brand's instructions, because it might be steamy hot when you take it out. If you find the pack is not as warm as you desire, only try to add extra 10 seconds each time. Next, wrap it in a cotton towel. Lie down and place it over your back. It usually takes around 1 minute for the heat to come out. If the shape is too small to mold on your natural back curve, try to cover an extra towel on top, placing horizontally so that you can tuck both sides under your waist. Start your timer and relax. Along the way, take note if you have an itchy feelings, as they can be symptoms before skin burns. It should be feeling comfortable and warm, not steamy hot. There are so many more to share on the use of a heating pad. If you wish to know further about precautions and how to select your best heating pad in the market, try to follow our next episode. See you then! I respect housekeepers and cleaners. Helping them is my main goal in creating stringless work and this podcast. If you have questions on muscle and joint problems in cleaning up your home or at work, do drop me a note in my Facebook group, Pain-Free Housekeeper. There are more resources waiting for you at our website that you can find in the bio. Thank you for staying with us. I'm Daisy Kwok, host of this podcast, Safety and Health in Hotel Housekeeping. It means a lot to me if you would consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care. Safety and Health in Hotel Housekeeping is the production of Stringless Work.